So, what's up everyone? We're back again with another video today. And in today's video, there is a revolution going on in India right now. Actually, there is a party that has been made by the youngsters only. Its name is CJP, which means Cockroach Janata Party. It actually was depended on a Chief Justice that there was a judge who said that the youngsters of India are nothing but they are just unemployed and they are like cockroaches. So there was a boy over there, his name is Abhijit. He tweeted on the Twitter, he said that what if all cockroaches come together, and that thing blew up. So and this thing is going on in India since 1 month over here, and many of the protesters are coming from the different part of India, and many of the things are going over here. So I just made this video today, like let's go to the people and ask them what's their review about this CJP and all these things. Let's go. Yo brother, what's up man? Are you here for the CJP protest?
But I don't want to talk with them. I'm sorry.
You don't want to talk? Alright, that's cool, yeah. Yeah, what's up bro? You're here for the CJP protest?
Yes.
CJP protest? Let's go man, let's go. Let's Haryana, you're from Haryana? Yeah. Wow. Hail to the Haryana. Jai Haryana. Jai Bharat, Jai Haryana. Let's go. Hail to the Haryana and hail to the India. Let's go baby. Alright, thank you so much man. And I just wanted to ask what is your review about CJP and all these things that are going on in India right now? What is your opinion for that?
ओपिनियन यही है भाई, बच्चे जीतने चाहिए, एजुकेशन पावरफुल होनी चाहिए.
All the students should win and the education power should be strong.
Yes.
And everyone is saying that we want the education minister to get removed from his path. Resign. Dharmendra Pradhan, yeah. We should get him resigned from his party.
Yes.
All right, yeah, that's good, man. That's good. Thank you, man. Even Prime Minister Modi, because he's not replying to anything. He's not replying. Many students are injured. Many of them are bleeding, and they are not getting numb for that thing. All right. Yeah, that's a big problem.
Very cheap. Police abuse your power.
Yeah. Police is abusing overpower and they're trying to like beat people just like they are really cockroaches. So that's not good. We are the students. We are the future of India. Yeah. Thank you so. Thank you so much for this review, man. Thank you so much for this review, man. Yes, let's support CJP.
Message to Haryana, come to Rajiv Chowk, Jantar Mantar and support CJP.
Support CJP, let's go. Hail to Haryana, hail to India, Jai Haryana. Let's go, alright, thank you so much man. Alright, so we're over here with one of my brother Manjot over here, and he is from the Sikh community. So let's ask him like what is his opinion about the Sikh community if they enter in this protest. So what can the protest turn on the face around? Like it all happened in 2021 when the farmer protest was arranged by the Sikh people and they won it. So let's ask him that can we win or not? Bro, please tell them.
पहली बात तो अगर उतर के आए इस प्रोटेस्ट में, तो जैसे कि पता है कि पिछले साल भी साल तक वो उठते नहीं हैं, तो इस बार भी अगर वो यहाँ पे आ गए तो साल तक उठने वाले तो है नहीं. तो गवर्नमेंट से यही है कि अगर अच्छे तरीके से मान जाए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर अगर सिख कम्युनिटी सारी उठ के आ गई, क्योंकि जैसे ही यहाँ पे लड़कियों के साथ किया करा इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा, अगर वो उठ के आ गई तो उसके बाद तो फिर मोदी का कुछ होगा नहीं, रहेगा नहीं.
So as you said, that Sikh community, if they will enter in this protest, so like the last time that happened, they were stubborn about the winning for that thing, and everything that is happening over here, like they are raping for the girls, they are harassing the girls and boys. So if Sikh community enters totally in this protest, Modi is gonna lose the game, and everyone gonna lose the game. Thank you so much, bro. Just look at this. Just look at this. There are so many people, so many students over here. Like I'm raising my camera, and there are so many students. They all are students, literally. They are on the march over here, and they are going to Jantar Mantar, a well-known place according to the tourism. But just look, people are so much disturbed about these things that are happening. In our India, actually, education system is getting ruined up because they leaked so many papers and they leaked so many exams and let's see what they have written. Let's see what they have written. मेरी बग्गी मेरा घोड़ा जो so he's abusing to the party. So as you can see over here, मुट्ठी मारो बच्चे नहीं means do masturbation but don't kill the students. And प्रधान ठोक जा, what is it? प्रधान झुक जाओ, प्रधान झुक जाओ, प्रधान just bend down. Wow, it's amazing, bro, so amazing. All right, so they have said in this poster, मेरे दोस्त की गांड मारो पर education की नहीं. That means that fuck my friend, but don't fuck the education system. Let's go. All right, bro, that was so amazing. So, all right, as we can see on this poster, Modi, bro, get married again. Stop fucking India. That was amazing. That was amazing. All right, so we're here with Nishtha right now, and let's ask her what's her opinion about everything that is going over here. And will CJP win or will Modi win? Will they lose? Will us win? Let's go. Please.
डेफिनेटली वी विल विनर, बट उसके लिए एक चीज़ का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. मैं आज ही मेरा फर्स्ट डे है, मैं यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट में आई हूँ जस्ट स्टूडेंट्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, बाकी सबकी तरह. बट एक चीज़ और थी कि मुझे ना खुद से चेकआउट करना था. यहाँ पे रील्स की वजह से कोई भी कुछ भी डाल रहा है, और मैंने यहाँ से वहाँ तक जब चेक किया है ना, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा शिट भी है, मतलब सारी तरीके की चीज़ें, गालियाँ भी हैं. बट यहाँ पे एक बंदा था जिसने जस्ट एकदम फ्लैट क्लीन बोर्ड लगाया हुआ है, फेस रिवील नहीं करना चाहता. उस पर कुछ लोगों ने आके फेस रिवील के लिए फोर्स किया, लाइक उसका मास्क खींचा, उसको इवन आई थिंक सुनाया था ना, हाँ या अटैक जैसा किया. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि देखो, अगर आप प्रोटेस्ट पे आए हो ना, तो एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करो, एक दूसरे की टांगे मत खींचो, वरना रिजल्ट ये होगा आपको हारना ही है, क्योंकि आप आपस में ही लड़के खत्म हो जाओगे. आपको किसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी खुद को खत्म करने के लिए. तो जीतना है, कीप सपोर्टिंग.
So basically, she said that we have to win in this protest, and to win in this protest, we should be united by each other. We should support each other. And if someone is getting a problem, if someone is getting a problem and facing a bad situation, so we should help them. So that's all about what she said. Thank you.
This is my humble request. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
हेलो भाई, देखो मेरा नाम अभी और हर अभी बुरा नहीं होता, सारे अच्छे भी होते हैं. यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे इसलिए खड़ा हूँ क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स की फिक्र है. आई एम ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट, तो मेरा फर्ज बनता है कि मैं यहाँ पे खड़े रहूँ, उनको सपोर्ट करूँ. और सपोर्ट का मतलब ये है कि हम सारे पीसफुली कर रहे हैं. अभी तक जितना भी मैंने देखा, सब लोग बहुत पीसफुली वर्क कर रहे हैं, पूरी अपनी ताकत लगा रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. और ऐसे ही करते रहो, यूनिटी स्टैंड करते हो तो यूनिटी के साथ रहो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. और बेफालतू के नारे मत लगाओ, जो मेन पॉइंट है उस पर रहो तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. ऑल द बेस्ट भाई, हो जाएगा. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय.
So basically what he said is, again that Nishtha said that we all have to get united by each other. No wrong slogans, only the right slogans, and make this protest a peaceful protest. Let them do anything they want, but we have to do it peacefully. Thank you so much, Avi.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Let's go. They are enjoying. This is a peaceful protest that they are doing right now. They are enjoying the vibe. Bro, Neymar, let's go, bro, let's go. Yeah. So as you can see over here, there's a girl and she got beaten by the police over here, and just look at the wound, and just look at the wound, like whoa, oh gosh, damn. They just beaten them just like this only. This is too bad. So as you can see over here, They have posted police and military officers over here. You can see that. Wow. So as you can see, people are heading back to their homes, and this place will get empty very soon. You can see this. So now it's my time to get back to my home, to head back to home, and I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, just make to share it, just make to like it, just make to comment on what next video I should make on, and whatever you do with the subscribe button, just get it subscribed. All right, thank you so much.